Rolling.
Hey everybody! This is Pete again from Carpizzo's Kitchen, and you know what? Today, Steve and Leslie up in San Carlos, California asked me to make cod in the air fryer. So I've breaded the cod, got it ready to go. Get yourself some nice fillet of cod and bread it, and then spray it with olive oil, and then cook them in your air fryer at 400 degrees till you get it nice and done. Okay? Hey everybody! This is Pete at Carpizzo's Kitchen, and you know what? We got some beautiful air-fried cod, some beautiful, delicious coleslaw, some tartar sauce, some beautiful long beans, all for our happy dinner tonight. So from all of us here at Pete's Kitchen, may you all have a great day. Don't forget to check the buttons and subscribe and like in Facebook, and we'll see you again. Bye!